Rahul Gandhi, along with the Congress president and other senior leaders, will arrive in Srinagar this evening. This will be part of a two-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir. And the location where I'm right now, the Radisson Hotel, is going to be the venue for his functions. Now, the most important function is a meeting with 500-odd Congress workers, grassroots workers who will come from various parts of Kashmir. And according to Congress sources, the intent is to gauge the public mood, to sense what the Janta is thinking about this complete electoral process, what are the issues, and how the Congress will basically make their campaign plan, and that will be done by taking feedback from the person on the ground, from the grassroots workers. So that seems to be the intent, and this function will happen tomorrow morning at this particular venue, and it will be followed by a press conference of Rahul Gandhi at this very same venue, and post that he'll fly to Jammu, where similar programs are scheduled. So basically it is an attempt to connect with the masses, with the Janta, with the Congress worker, grassroots worker, and see what's in his mind, what are the issues he really wants the Congress to touch in the campaign when they are in the campaign mode, and accordingly the Congress will mold or tweak its election campaign based on the feedback that Rahul Gandhi gets during his visit to Jammu and Kashmir and during his meeting with these grassroots workers. Now, also importantly, as this visit is happening, Congress and National Conference behind the scenes are in a meeting mode, and final formalities, modalities are being thrashed out to stitch a pre-poll alliance. Sources say that this is in the final stages, and like Lok Sabha, there will be a pre-poll alliance across Jammu and Kashmir, and it will be tactical at certain seats where the fight is supposed to be very close. So quite clearly that is a most significant thing that's happening as far as elections are concerned, because this is going to be a crucial alliance, because as of now it seems this is going to be a fractured mandate, considering that no party seems to be in a position to get clear majority. So there will be alliances, be it pre or post poll, but this is being considered as the most significant one. So Rahul Gandhi will be in Srinagar to meet the grassroots workers, and similar program is going to happen in Jammu as well, and Congress party leadership will be with him as he goes ahead on this two-day program. With camera person Tariq Lonemead for Srinagar for India Today.